Hello everyone, today I will test the Creality Ender PLA on the QIDI Q1 Pro. I will print the Benchy, moderate the Benchy like this. It's small, it's very difficult to print, but it is possible. I make the model on the nozzle 0.4 Creality Ender PLA. We have here something like this, so I put the setup for the PLA, filament cooling, setting overrides. It's like this. I will correct this. $50 and $20. Okay. Save. Okay. The process is like that, and the settings, you see. It's okay. This is strange. I not change too much for the test. Apply gap fill. Change to topsoil thickness because it's test. Speed, all the speeds I get from my datasheet for this printer. For profile 0.12 mm, for nozzle 0.4. It speeds like this from the datasheet. And we see how will be print. Support we not need. Multi-material also. Others. Brim auto. Special mode. I not change. Okay. All is ready. We can prepare for print the plate. Okay. 24 minutes. With new settings, and we can print now. Print up and print. Okay, we go to print now. I will show from where I get the speeds. I have the datasheet here. I add one column more, the attraction length. This is printers. My printer here for test is QIDI Q1 Pro, profile 04012. This is the speeds for this profile. How we see is from the datasheet. We'll see here the ORCA Slicer, iron, and every speed what I have. This iron is first speed. The speed is in quality. No ironing. If you get ironing, we can change this here. I change it, and all the speeds, how we see, is 70, 130, 250, and all from the sheet. Everyone can use the datasheet and change the speeds for every printer. Maybe we must little change because of extruder the speeds, but the example we have here in the datasheet, and from the example we can start. Here is many printers, what I check. And I use this every day for my work also. Okay, we wait for the print what we sent on the printer now. Thank you. In the print process is very important to put in the settings good retraction speed and the retraction speed. Depend of this we will have clogging or not. Hello everyone, after the print, the Benchy, moderate Benchy. We must get him out. This. Okay. The Benchy I make with Creality Ender PLA is slow PLA, but not for QIDI. On QIDI we have make until 23 cubic millimeter per second, not like in standard about from 7 to 12. It's very good print. It's good filament I see, and setup of speeds from my datasheet also work correctly on the ORCA Slicer. It's okay. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.